Hi everyone and welcome back. So I have already done this full makeup look but I didn't film it, and I thought that I would pull in the last section into the video, so it is going to be really short. Basically I've wanted to do this look for ages, so I've got green over my eyes and then I've put like this spotlight gold in the middle, and I could have went further and like added some glitter or added like more dimension to it, but I knew all along that I wanted to add in this gold leaf that I've got here. So I literally bought this about a year ago and planned to do this look. I was either going to do the greens and the golds or purple and gold, but since I've done so many purple looks lately, I was like, right, okay, let's do a green look. I actually like to wear this look on holiday, however not as dramatic. Like I put like a nice green wash all over the eye and then a pat in the middle, some gold, and I just love that on holiday. I'm going to be going on holiday in my garden this year, so yeah, let's start with this gold leaf. Really just experimenting with it. Let me get some tweezers. Right, I've got some tweezers and I've got my Eldora eyelash glue, so that is what I'm going to use. I've already got these lashes on, so I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to do it like, I literally don't really know what I'm doing. I want to do this side because this is the side that I photograph mostly on camera, so should I set out some leaf? I used to do creative looks like this all the time when I was at college, and they kind of stopped when I qualified, so this is too big for what's in my eyelid, so I've tore this up into 4 sections. Actually, I'm tearing it up even more because I want like much smaller bits, so I'm going to show you these like kind of smaller bits. Right, so I'm going to apply the glue directly on, oh I don't want to get this on my lashes, directly onto my eyelid. And as we know from obviously putting on lashes, this glue will dry clear and it will go tacky eventually. I shouldn't have used that wee brush, it's like got kind of golden green now. Right, so I really should wait until that starts to go tacky, but I'm kind of impatient and I just want to try. Ooh. So that's stuck down right away. Let me actually zoom you in because you're not going to see that. Right, so these are super close. Can do a tutorial on this eye look if you would like to see it. Like a, you don't even need to have a full tutorial, just like a, you know those quick 60-second run through videos. This is quite fiddly, so if I speed this up and come back, it's because it was taking me too long. So that is how it looks right now. Obviously like it just looks kind of messy. I want to do more, and I'm actually thinking of pulling it kind of up over the brow and maybe down here. Let's bring it down here first. I've decided to put some here, like around the brow. I'm going to speed this up because it's quite footery, like getting everything into the tweezers and then getting it laid down on the eyes. So let's put a bit through the brow. And then I was thinking, shall we not make them symmetrical? Shall we just, maybe I'll put some glitter onto this lid and then put the gold leaf down here and possibly some on the lips. How does that sound? He's can't answer me, I wish he could. Right, let's... I'm using the Barry M glitter palette. Like, I got this gifted to me in a PR box from Boo Avenue. I don't really think that I've used it. Possibly dipped into that one. But that is creating some cool dimension there, and let's put it right in there. I also have a gold glitter in this Tarte palette, which is up here. Let's try. It's a total different like formula, that glitter. Probably better with a glitter glue, but oh, that's packing way more punch. Yeah, that packed a better punch, so I'm happy with that. I'm going to need to get a wee bit of a move on because my camera battery is running out. Kind of stuck my eyelashes to my skin, which is not great. I'm trying to mash that up so that it doesn't look like the one bit of gold leaf, which it wasn't, but obviously it's stuck on that. Going out the shot, like I'm getting what you call it, caught up in like what I'm doing. Oh, I've made that too much. Should I put it here? That is what I should have done. I should have put it here. Should I put a little bit here? Going with Ian's expert opinion of above the eye. Into my fingers instead of my face. And maybe it won't matter if it comes through the brow a little bit here, probably. And the same at this side where it's just like as if it's running off. What I'm going to do is finish all this with a gold leaf and then come back and show you where I like end up. So I don't know where I last left off. Let me zoom you out a little bit. I don't know where I last left off, but this is what I have ended with at the moment. Now I'm in two minds whether to add it to my lips or not. So I think I'm just gonna give it a go. It can come off, let's face it, it can come off. So let's add some to the lips together. So obviously I'm not using the glue for this. I have just like a cheap, I think this is Model Coat, I don't even know what that is, and I'm just gonna gloss all my lips because I don't want to use the glue, and I actually don't know where I'm putting this. Like, let's figure this out. So I mainly photo at this side of the lips, like hit the majority of it there. I kind of like the way that it just breaks up when you touch it, rather than, obviously I need to put the glue on my skin like where else I want it, so I'm going to bring it down here. No idea, totally no idea. Yeah, I've just been like stabbing it because I really want it in smaller sections, except it's really difficult to pick up because my fingers are getting all glue. So see how I like that? Zoom in. I actually hate my lips. They're so small and annoying. I never do any lip art or anything like that, and also this isn't lip art, but I've got using right in my lips. Totally not sure about this. Maybe I should just have like did it in the middle. I think I might have ruined it. I mean, it doesn't really matter, does it? Right, and I want this to kind of trickle up, so I'm gonna go off camera, finish it off, and I'm going to come back and show you the finished look and do like the outro. So I did actually mess about with the lips, like I had it down here as you seen, and up here I took it off, redone my makeup, although it's not perfect and I do have like gold leaf everywhere, but this is the completed look. I feel as if taking it on the lips was maybe that wee step too far that I didn't need to do, but it's done now. And I just wanted to share that with you because like it's only makeup, it's just experimenting. Wash it off at the end of the day, just experiment, just have fun guys. Like we have so much time on our hands, you may as well like dig out your old stuff and have a little bit of a play, and it doesn't matter if it works and it doesn't matter if it doesn't work. But I'll just zoom in a little bit, let you see what I ended up doing on the lips. So yeah, my little cracked lips. And that pretty much completes this tiny little makeup video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit the thumbs up and tell me if you want any more like this, any random like just wee plain makeup little creations that I'm doing. I literally just turned the camera on and started to play, so yeah, thanks for watching. Ciao.